Okay. Good evening po sila po dyan. Ako si Arvin G. Vlog si Ju. Time na, idol. Time na po sa ating palur po ngayon for the Saturday basketball action. Between po, of course, playing black po. Yan po ang Team Oryx. Team Oryx po. Team Oryx versus playing white and pink po. Or white and gold. Yan po ang Team In-Flights. Yan ha. This is your host with you, Arvin G. Vlogs or Martin Eberizo Vlogs. This is host and we're about to start right now for the game tonight between, of course, Team Oryx versus Team In-Flights. This is your aviation friend league, Dabasa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC, Haring Padala, and Try the Needles. Sample natin po dyan po ang SPB ARA o Ako Referee Association and PSBQ Basketball League. First game for tonight, Saturday basketball action. We played na between Team In-Flights versus Team Oryx. Yan. Okay, we're just waiting now. Tutsi po, patapos po tayo. And paano na tayo? Malapit tayo mag-gano ng postseason. Postseason na po. After 2 weeks, postseason na po tayo. Yan na po yung isa yung kami, laglagan portion. Laglagan portion ng ating ligang ito. Okay, for tonight now, again, na-repeat po, Team Oryx, playing black po yan, versus Team In-Flight playing white or light color po sila ngayon. Okay, we'll just wait now for the opening whistle. And for the first 5 also for both teams. Okay. Habang na siya, magbati-bati muna po tayo. Magbati muna. Okay, wala yung kanyang coach Pots. Coach Bebe, may pasok daw. Si Alex Magana-Suerte is watching. J. Ramos is watching already also. Of course, Mr. Masbang is watching. Mukhang lumilipad yata si Mr. Masbang. Okay, kulang sila ng big man ngayon. Sige, Sir Masbang, gandang po sa'yo, Sir Masbang. Wala, nasa lipad kaya yata ngayon. Kabla na po, of course, medyo depleted po yata rin ang lineup po ng Oryx ng Team In-Flights. I think they're only less than 10. Pero see kung meron kung habol pa sila. Kung may habol pa sa kanila. After some time. Okay. Just wait now for the opening whistle. We're about to start right now sa ating laro for tonight. Saturday night basketball action between Oryx and the In-Flights. Okay. Sige, antay-antay lang po kayo dyan mga boss. Okay, si Nicole Mariano. Shoutout, sir. Shoutout din siya, Mr. Nicole Mariano. Okay. We'll just wait now for the opening whistle. And of course, SPB ARA po ang magmamahala po nito. Ako Referee Association. They're now wearing now in their own red color uniform. Yan. Scott is watching. Scott, nangibisa Scott. Kamusta kayo dyan? How are you? Nasa kami nauwi kanina. Gabi, di na nakatulog. Nakapag-collab na lang ako. Okay, we're just waiting up for opening whistle. Good evening po sa ipon dyan lahat. Ako po si Arvin G. Vlog si Gio or Martin Eberizo Vlog channel po ito ng aking FB page. And time now to start anytime po sa ating laro for tonight. First game basketball action po tayo between In-Flights and of course Team Oryx. Okay, final buzzer. Final buzzer. Now will now start now for the opening whistle. To start now the ball game tonight. After this po pala is of course Hub versus Boleros. Hindi mo alam. Hindi, tapos na kayo. Tapos na kayo, sir. Boleros. Ah, sino kasama mo ngayon? Kompleto ba kayo?
Wala si Najib.
Ha?
Wala si Najib.
Wala si Najib. Yung ano nyo, yung sentro nyo. Nandiyan may si Chia. Nandiyan may si Santiago. Siya nga tayo. Ikaw, sentro ka nila, di ba? Si Padua. Posteron eh. Ano yung pambangga nyo? Okay, please take note po. Malapit na po tayong matapos po. Magpo-position na po tayo pagkatapos nito. Yung po example, pag-position, laglag ang portion na po tayo. Ayan, puro lahat po yan. Sudden death will start from the quarterfinals, then to the semis, then to the championships. Yan, ito po ang illegal na mga lumilipad aviation friendly league dubbed as the Flying League. Okay, about to start right now. First 5 now, of course, si Sir Natur, si number 89, of course, si Labrado, idol. Labrado, si number 23. At si number 17. Kabila na po, of course, nandiyan si Bustos, si Mercado, si Dimacali, si Akain Brother, at si Mr. P. Yan, si Mr. P. Yan. Okay, first quarter on the way now. First quarter action is about to start right now. Okay. Okay. Si Maverick Valdez is watching. Si Scott nunod po. Okay. Play ball. Pops up. Nando si Damacali. Then to Bustos. Mercado. 2 points. 2 points kagad. Mercado draws blood sa ating laro pong ito. 5-0-2 po tayo. 0-2. Labrado. Nando si Damacali. Nando. And of course, nope. Ayan na si Miss ano, yung pinaka-leader, si Albert, dumating na rin. Malakas ang konti, malakas ang pasam. Labrado, touch pass, to number 23. Number 23, driving strong, palpal, lipe. One more time, nope. Nandun si Dimacali. And Bustos, Mercado, palpal, napalpal din, ng number 89 rather. 0-2, okay. Okay, regroup muna daw. Sabi ng mga Oryx. And Natur, floater pass. Tuaka agay sa kain. Naku, wala pa rin. One more time. Malalim. Same ball. 14 second shot clock again. Oryx still on the in possession. Number 70 paid away shot. No good. And out of bounds again. Out of bounds. Tinatest ko na pa. Pasensya na ha. And now 17. Labrado still on. Labrado. Pops up. Number 89. Yes sir. 3 points. Dimkako 3 points. 8-23. 3-2 kagad na score. Lumang kagad po ang Oryx. And Busos naman. Nice pass kay Pe. Malakas nga lang. Okay, please take note po. Oryx coming from a defeat. Close battle po yan against the Hub. And of course, ang Inflex naman po trying to keep its own role po. Yan, ang ano, nakataya po din dyan. Placing na lang po ito halos. Dimacali against Natur. Nando si Mercado, pops up, 3 points. Mercado for 3 points, Mercado, 5 all, 7:35 remaining. Labrado, nakalusot, pero nasundot. Bustos, Mercado, pops up, 2 points again. Nice pass by Mr. Mercado. Sunod-sunod ang kaya ginagawa ngayon. Pops number 3 again. No good. Malakas. Akain naka-rebound. Kick pass again kay Mercado. Malakas. malakas. Nando si Bustos. And may Makali. And one play pa binigay kay Medin. Okay, number 89. 89 called for the foul. Di Makali shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 5-9 at 7:06 remaining. First quarter action. Di Makali, number 33, shooting for 2. Shooting for bonus free throw. No good. Rebound by the Black Shirts. Labrado, binababa mo ng bola. Labrado. Okay, 6:57 remaining. Handaan nyo yung second lineup nyo. Natur. There's a foul called. Jersey number 33 called for the foul. Natur, Al-Natur, number 16, shooting for 2. Unang foul ni Mr. Di Makali yan. First shot ni Natur. It's out. Second throw jumper shot ready. Second free throw jumper shot ready po tayo. Okay, si Melvin, nanonood din po tayo yun. Pinaparat po tayo ni Mr. Melvin. Yung stakeholder po ng Team Oryx. Yung bata. Okay, second shot ni Mr. Natur. Pops up. It's in. 6-9. Lamang po ng tatlo ang team in flight. Bustos. Puposisyon. Mercado. Nope. It's Di Makali. Hop. Traveling, sabi ng referee. Nakita ng referee. Traveling without valid documents. Traveling. Sabido. Labrado na naman. Labrado, binababa ang bola. Labrado. Natur again. Natur. Scaling the defense. Natur. Power move. Turn around. No good. One more time. Natur. Nope. Pops up. Na block. Blocked again. Labrado. Nope. And Mercado. Bustos. 2 points. Good luck, both teams. Sabi ni Mr. Melvin. Okay. Thank you po, sir. Thank you very much. Labrado, 6-11. Whoop! Pops up again. Bang! Limcaco, 3 points. Nice shot by Limcaco. 5:49 remaining. Handaan nyo rin ngayon. Handaan nyo na po yung pamalit nyo. Di Makali. Bustos. No! Pasok ang bola. Bustos, 2 points. Kick pass again. Natur! 2 points again, Natur. Sinagasaan ng depensa. And Di Makali again. 5:22 remaining. Di Makali, number 33. Nakakuha ng pick. Pops up. Bang! 2 points. Okay. Palit player po tayo yun, mga boss. Second liners po natin. Okay, think si Gakan yata nga nagdagtito mo ngayon sa Team Oryx. Okay, second quarter, of course, natira lang si Mr. Akain tsaka si Mr. Di Makali. Iba po dyan, nandiyo po Sir Philip, si Ian, at si Mike. Kabilaan po over, platoon substitutes po, si Pulintan nandiyan na rin. Along with number 3, number 7, si Chudlak, si Pilaw, at si number 19. Pilaw, malakas ang pasa kay Pilaw. Okay, malakas ang pasa kay Pilaw. 5-1 pa rin. Malayo pa yan. First quarter pa lang tayo. Okay, mag-alala. Okay, 11-15. 4:55 remaining. 5 Philip. Mike, Di Makali po posisyon. Akain po posisyon din. Mike. Sila kasama ng depensa. Di Makali. Pops up. In and out. Number 19. Pilaw. Dish of pass kay Pulintan. 2 points. Nice pass. Simple but elegant. Napakaganda ng pass yun. Billy Shen is watching. Pops up. Out of bounds. Sir Billy Shen is watching. Okay. Billy Shen also come fresh po from a win yesterday against Airport United. Cementing their place probably in its first place po sa Sky Team. Number 1, Pulintan. Nice pass. Pops up. No good. One more time. Hop, teka lang po tayo dyan. Black ball daw sabi ng referee. Who's foul rep? 27 called for the foul. That's Akain. Akain brother. Akain. Pulintan. Number 3. Pulintan again. Pulintan. Driving strong. Zigzag his way. Nice one pero malakas. Rebound battle one with the black shirts. 2 points. Number 3. Again, it's black. Tablados muli po tayo at 4:01 remaining. 15 all po tayo, Sir Billy. Okay, thanks din. Bilang naman, boss. Lagay net sa sa trabaho. Di Makali. Second play. Di Makali. Akain. Akain. Uy. Uy, hindi na ano. Good ball. One more time. 5, 2.5. Bilis 5, 2 points. Again, Pulintan, pinapababa, pinagtitumon ngayon sa nagtitumon muli ngayon sa Team Oryx. 17-15, laman po ng dalawa ang Team In-Flights. Number 1. Pops up, number 3. Bang! 3 points. Long bomb, pasok ni number 3. 3:07 remaining. 5 Philip. 43 naman. No good. Pilaw, binababa ang ball ni Pilaw. Pilaw, driving strong. No good. Good ball. Nando si Mike. Mike naman. Akain. Hop. 2 points. 2 points Akain. 3:37 remaining. Okay, ito po tayo. Pulintan, Dwight, number 3, Dwight. Floater shot, no good. Again, a call called for the foul for Akain. Akain again called for the foul. Second personal foul ni Akain. Dwight shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second throw. Dwight, jumpers ready. Second, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Okay, 19 all. Tablan na naman tayo. And si Ian, binababang bola. Ian, siya ang nagtitimon. Ian, Di Makali against Pilaw. Nakasusot. Di Makali. And 1 play naman kay Di Makali. Di Makali 2 points plus bonus free throw awarded. 2:12 remaining at 12-19-21. Pilaw called for the foul. Kiminales, nandiyan din pala. Dumating si Kiminales din. Yung kanilang destroyer. Okay, point for Di Makali also. 3-point play completed for Di Makali. Pulintan, binababa ang bola. Pulintan binababa. Pulintan, driving strong. Di siya pass. Number 19. Wala ka, boss. Kick pass kay 5. Philip 5. 2 points. Okay, don't look now. It's only 5-point advantage being enjoyed now by Team In-Flights. Pulintan, kick pass. Pilaw for 3. No good. Again, Mike, rebound. Binababang bola ni Mike. Nandun si Ian. Hindi na kontra ng bola. 3-on natin situation. 2 points. 21-24, lamang lang tatlo yan. Philip 5 naman nagtitimang yun. Philip 5. 1:21 remaining. Mike against Shudilax. Nalusot. Nasundot ang bola. Nandun si Di Makali. Di Makali. Akain. No good. Ulo foul. Jarkas. Pulintan. Na malalim. Black ball sana pero naging white. Malalim ang left ni Pulintan. And timeout called by In-Flights. Okay, habang tayo hanap bunin-buro po tayo, this is your aviation friendly dubbed as a flying league. Would like to take the following sponsors. Team LBC Hanep Padala, Thread the Needles. Of course, nandiyan po ang SPB ARA and PSB Basketball League. Of course, first game po tayo ngayon, In-Flights versus Oryx. Afterwards po is the Hub versus the Boleros. Pero for the meantime, of course, In-Flights Oryx muna po tayo. Enjoy muna po tayo. 57 seconds remaining. Di Makali, binababa ang bola. Di Makali. Nako ng pick, kakain. Di Makali. Difficult shot. Shoot the last stop. Now to number 3 to Pilau. Pilau. Wala ka, post. Wala pa rin. Good ball. Ian. Akain. For 3. Bang! 3 points Akain. Akain 3 points. 26-17. Yan ang Pulintan. Walang pinasahan sa Pulintan. 20 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining po tayo of the first quarter action. And 5. Hinahanap si Di Makali. Akain for 3. Akain, no good. Kaldag. Uy, Mercado. 2 points. Mike 2 points. Okay, that's it. Nice hustle play ni Mr. Mike. Okay, after first quarter, lamang po ng 8 po ang team In-Flights. The score is 21-29. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter. If you're watching right now, this is your aviation friendly league, dubbed as a flying league. Would like to first thank the following sponsors. Team LBC Hanep Padala, Thread the Needles. And of course, this game is officiated by SPB ARA o Ako Representation. And of course, PSB Basketball League po sa aking boses. At the same time, second game na po tayo second quarter po tayo, In-Flights versus Oryx. Okay, yan na yung test. Nandito na pinaka-skipper na si Marasigan. Marasigan has entered now in the ball game. One of the skippers po ng team Oryx. And Gakad also. Gakad, Alnatur again. Alnatur, nandun. Nilabas muna. Oops! Same ball daw, sabi referee. Okay, that's Eusebio also. Eusebio, nilabas muna. Nandun si Mercado. Hinahabol. Palpal! Nice block by the big man ng Oryx. Okay, 70 seconds remaining. Akain for 3. Malakas. Marasigan, naka-rebound. Gakad, difficult shot, 2 points. 2 points Gakad kagad, 22-29 at 6-point advantage by Team In-Flights. James Mark B. Ariola is watching also. Pusos, Dishon pass. Kimanales, Palpal. Natur naman, sa Natur. 2 points pa. Natur 2 points, 8:41 remaining. Lamang muli po ng 4 ang Team In-Flights over Oryx. Mercado against Alcer Natur. Al-Natur, yung runner, Akain. Mercado again, pops up for 3. Bang! 3 points. Mercado 3 points. Okay, balik muli po sa 7 ang kalamangan. Nandun si Pusos. Hop! Foul called. Gakad called for the foul, preventing the fast break. Okay, Bustos inbounding. Okay, normal foul lang. Duty foul. Okay, and Bustos, pinasa kaya ng bola. Bustos for 3. No good. Nawala ang bola kay Gakad. Gakad, nawala ang bola kay Gakad. Bustos again for 3. Bustos, palpal. Okay, number 16, Al Natur called for a foul. Ha? Okay, take 2 raw, take 2. Take 2, the referee says take 2. 2 free throws given kay Mr. Bustos. 25-32. Number 0, Bustos. First shot. It's out. One more, isa pa. Bustos, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Hop! Okay, early entry. Number 23 to Gakad again. Gakad, Marasigan. Puposisyon. Marasigan. Marasigan against Peg. Marasigan. No good. Isa pa. Uy! Jimenez against Marasigan. Malibig pa. Bustos naman si Bustos. Bustos. Op. Lifting violation daw, sabi ng referee. O, ball carrying. Nandiyan si Pareño. Yung kanilang spatter din sa labas. 7:14 remaining. Eusebio, Natur, pops up. Hop! Good ball. Pe, hinabli Marasigan. Stop. Pe, nakuha, recover. Pe.
There's a ball, committed. There's the number 01, Eusebio.
Eusebio called for a foul. Mr. Pe, 69, shooting for 2. First shot, Pe. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 25-32 ang score po natin yun. 7 na naman kalamangan. O, 8 na pala. 33. No good. Laman po ng 8 ang team in flight. 25-33. 6:50 remaining. Gakad. Driving Shong. Gakad to Marasigan. Marasigan. Eusebio for 3. No good. Gakad. And one play made by Gakad. Gakad, number 3, shooting for 2. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Gakad, bonus free throw coming up. Number 3. Number 8 rather, sorry. Malayo kasi. Number 8, Gakad. Pops up. No good. Hop. Jump ball. In flights. Early entry, both teams. 6:35 remaining. 27-33. And Mercado, binababa ang bola. Mercado. Ang kain. Jimenez ilalim. Turn around. Nando si Natur. Natur naman. Nakalusot si Natur. Sinubo lang ang bola. 2 points. Okay, 8 na naman ang kalamangan ng in-flights. 8 na lang kalamangan muna ng in-flights. Hop. Pe. Nakalusot si Pe. Nawala ang bola kay Pe. Hop. Teka lang. Traveling, sabi ng referee. Hindi na kontrol yung bola. Okay, Natur. Ay! Good ball. Sana, sayang. Ay! Okay, balik muli po tayo. Nag-fumble doon si di nasalo ni Husseini Natur yung bola. Again, Pe for the inbound. 5:40 remaining. Akain for 3. No good. Rebound by Gakad again. Gakad. 3-on-1 situation. Natur. Sinubo ng bola. Okay, lamang na lang muli ng dalawa.
Last possession tayo.
5:20 remaining. Bustos. Hop! Foul.
Another foul. Jersey number 16.
Again, Al Natur. Second lang yung Natur.
40 seconds. Shot clock.
Pangalawa.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Game. Okay, 40 seconds again. Mercado pops up. Take 3. Okay, for sure, take 3. Mercado, take 3.
0-1.
Take 3 yan. Okay, take 3 nga. Mercado, 3 shots given. Take 3. Mercado, first shot. Pasok. Mercado, second shot coming up. Mercado, second throw. Pasok din. Okay, last throw, jumpers ready para kay Mercado. Last throw, pops up, no good. Rebound by Mercado. Okay, Mercado. 2 points, Mercado.
Change unit.
Okay, 4-point play ang ginawa ni Mercado pala doon. Nakadalawang sipat siya, plus 2 points out of the field goal. Okay, next batch naman po tayo ngayon. Of course, Di Macali nandyan, si Mike, si Sir Philip, si Pareño, at si Ian. Sa kabila naman po, of course, si number 689, si Labrado, Black Bola, si number 7, at si Pulintan. 5:06 remaining. Lumamang muli ng 6 ang in-flights.
Pass to number 1.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa in-flights ang bola. Pareño, 2 points na Pareño. Pareño, 2 points. Yun ang binabayaran kay Pareño, perimeter niya. Okay, Mendoza, Christian Mendoza is watching. Jopel Music-Botisil is watching also. Pulintan again, mag-is Pareño. Number 19, Labrado. Na, op. Foul on Philip 5. Reach in foul called on Philip. Reaching foul called. Labrado inbounding. Pulintan huminang bola. Yung pinakasentro na natin. Yes, sir. 3 points again. Limcangco, 3 points. 4:07 remaining. Laman na 5. Oh, Labrado, binabatay. Pareño again, Pareño. Ian Villanueva, naipit. Ang bumangga, giba. Okay, Oryx go for a timeout. Sir Isa, good evening mo sa Sir Isa ng Qatar Airways. Sir Isa, good evening mo sa'yo. Shout out po sa Sir Isa. Okay, game 3:51 remaining, 34-39. Laman po na 5 ang team in flights. So far, so good po for team in flights. No control po nila pong opensa po ng Oryx. 3:51 remaining. Okay, inbounding mo si Pulintan. Pulintan, inbounding. Labrado. And Pulintan. Driving strong. Pinabomba, 3 points pa binigay. Pulintan, 2 points. Possible 3-point play para kay Pulintan. At 3:51 remaining. Pulintan. Pulintan. No good. Rebound. Mike. 5. Nandun and black ball. 36-39. Nice D, sabi nila. 19. Again, Pulintan again. Pulintan. B-Boy Spanish watching. Pulintan. Naipit ang konti. Pops up. No good. Dimkako. Hindi pumasok ang tira. And Pareño binababa ang bola. Pareño. Labrado binabantay si Dimacali. Mike. Blocking foul. Matibay yung depensa. Hindi man lang natinag. Jersey number 8 na called for a foul. Si Dimkako. Villanueva number 88 for the inbound. 5 pops up. No good. Rebound para 1 by Dimacali. Fade away shot. No good. Labrado naka-rebound. Labrado against Pareño. Dimkako. Pulintan. Kick pass. Good ball. Mali. Bad ball. Hindi. Walang pinasahan. 2:51 remaining. Pulintan. Binababa ang bola. Pulintan. Mali pinasahan. Hindi naka-ready yung pinasahan niya. Philip 5. Ayun! Ian! 2 points. 2 points Ian. 36-41. Lamang muli po na 5 ang team in flights over Team Oryx. Limkako 3. No good. Kaldag. Black ball. Same ball daw sabi.
9 seconds to shoot.
Labrado. Swiped away. Utoy. Yung bata, ano? Boy. Layo ng konti, boy. Layo ka ng konti, baka masagasaan ka. Binangga. Wala. Rebound. Labrado. Pulintan again. Pulintan. Zigzagging sway. Pulintan. Wala pa rin. Swiped away. Whoop. Last touch by Team Oryx. Stop from behind. Team in flights. 1 minute 58 remaining. Pareños in the house. 1:58 remaining. 36-41. Chris Molina is watching. Pareño pops up. 2 points again. Pareño pops up. Pulintan. Pulintan. Nawala ang bola. Ian against Labrado. Labrado. Ian. Malakas. Pulintan. 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 Darkas. No good. Nando si Mike. Again. Ito na naman. Dimacali. 2 points na yan. 1:08 remaining. Oryx basketball team calls for the timeout. Okay, ito po ang Aviation Friend Doubles sa Flying League. Ito pa ating mga sponsors. And first game po tayo between In-Flights and Oryx basketball team. Oryx, 4 team fouls, warning for penalty. Ralph Castor is watching. Labrado, binababa ang bola. 36-45, lang bang nanasyam na naman ang In-Flights. Labrado. Nice one. 2 points. Nice drive. And last minute dish off, Dilabrado, 2 points.
Back to 7.8. 40.
Pareho naman. Wala. Uy! Punita, foul called. 34 seconds remaining. Chance to trim down to 6 points or so.
Ball finisher number 88.
Number 18, one for penalty team in flights. 34 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. In flights po, nag-time up po ang in flights. You're watching right now in flights versus Team Oryx. Afterwards po is Hub versus Boleros. Hub and Boleros, where you knew? Where na you? Dito na me. I repeat po, Hubs versus Boleros po sa in-game po natin. After, ito po naglaro pong muna ngayon. Ito po ang in-flights versus Oryx basketball team. 34 seconds na lang po tayo. Nalalabi po sa ating larong ito. Okay, Pulintan, number 1.
34 seconds. Pulintan on the line. Both teams now.
Pops up. Nope. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo.
34 seconds.
Pulintan, second throw. No good. And same ball.
Black ball. 32 seconds. 14 shot clock.
Pulintan.
30 seconds.
Nakuha ng pick. Kumuha ng pick. Offensive foul. Moving pick. Moving pick. Committed. Offensive foul called.
26 seconds.
Okay. Ian. Di makali. Binabantay sarado ni Labrado. Labrado. Okay, si Makali.
5.
Nope. Pareño. Pareño. Okay, that's it. First half ended. Magbabalik po tayo po. Halftime muna po tayo yun. Halftime score po natin is 38-45. Laman po ng 7 ang team in flights. Teka lang. Okay, halftime po tayo nyo. 38-4 laman po ng 7 ang team in flights. Ayan na po, ano mo tayo? Pinatay kami yung mag-high wifi na tayo, high hotspot na tayo. Okay, game. Okay, I think wala nang penalty dito. Both teams yata na-meet yata yung minimum 10 players po per team. Kaya walang problema sa penalty. Standby po tayo po sa second half ha. Between in-flights and of course in-flights and of course ang Oryx Basketball Team.
Third quarter, ball will be awarded. Black ball.
Okay, black ball po tayo. Black ball possessing. Si Sir Natur po ang inbounding to Pilaw. Siya magtitumon ngayon. Pilaw. Natur. Pilaw. Judelax to Pilaw again. Pilaw. Marasigan to Judelax. Simple. Naku. Foul called.
Ball committed by jersey number 19, Pilaw. Pilaw, first personal foul.
Again. Jimenez. Op. Okay. 9 seconds. Triple team. Kick pass. Mercado. Kapos. Tip in. Pangliban. 9 to Alnatur again. Binababa ng Alnatur ang bola. Binababa ang bola ng Alnatur. Number 23. No good. Pangliban. Malalim. Same ball. 8:49 remaining, 39-45. Laman po ng 6. Pilaw for 3. Nope. Rebound. Bustos. Rebound by Judelax. Rebounding. Pilaw. Marasigan. Alnatur pops up. 2 points. Off the back. Bank shot made by Alnatur. 8:31 remaining. Bustos, shake and pick. Bustos. Disho pass, Mercado. In and out. Kick pass kay Pilaw. Alnatur. Okay, easy to again. Isa na lang, isang field goal na lang. Dalawa po, lamang. 40-45, 8:06 remaining. Third quarter action on the way. Again, a fast break. Arale again, be mounted by Team Oryx. Palpal. Akain naman. Deep ball shot. Marasigan. Cleared the ball. Held ball situation na.
Ball will be awarded. In flight.
In-flights ball.
In flight ball.
Okay, okay, Mercado, inbounding. Against Al Natur. Driving Shong. Malakas. Rebound, Chudilax. Binato ka kay Pilaw. Nice. Kiminales. Good ball. Kiminales. Al Natur. Kapos. Nice. Hasa play ni Mercado. Kiminales. Palpal. Foul called on Marasigan. Kiminales shooting for 2. Bowlers, boleros. Hub, nasa na po kayo? Dito na mi. Where na you? Kiminales next shot. Jumpers ready. 42-45. Pops up. It's in. 4. Lamang muli na 4 at bay. Somehow Infras keeping Oryx at bay. When they mount a rally, they found the remedy. Port Oryx. Hop! Same ball.
13 seconds.
Same ball daw, sabi rin, same ball daw. Marasigan. Nako, alanganin. Oh! Out of bounds. Okay, pulintan, labas muna. Labas muna si number 24. Okay, pulintan, kailangan tayo ng ball handler. Kaya, nilagay mo si pulintan muli sa loob. Pulintan number 1. Al Natur again, Al Natur. Chudilac, short stab. No good sale. Marasigan, naipit. Marasigan diving the ball. Bustos. Oop! Oy, backing violation. Nakatawid din sa pinasa muli pabalik. Backing violation. Nakatawid din siya, pinasa pabalik. Nice hustle play by Bustos. Okay, Chudilac muna. Nilabas muna. Nice play kay Chudilac. Labrado, pinasok muna si Labrado. Pulintan to Labrado. 2 points Labrado. Ito na naman, nagrarally na naman ang Team Oryx. Ika nga, nanunuwag na naman ang Team Oryx. Di Makali. Pops sa Kiminales, wala. Double T. Ayun, nasa ilalim. Nice play ni Peto Kiminales. Pulintan, Al Natur. Pilaw, 2 points again. Nice hands by Pilaw from Natur. 5:37 remaining. Dan San Miguel is watching. Enriquez watching. Pilaw, going and gone. Tabla. Again, tabla naman tayo. Mercado guys, Al Natur. Hoy! Mitik na. Alex Marasigan. Swipe away. Recovery. Di Makali kasi Labrado. Labrado. Pinatong muna kay Mercado. 2 points again. 2 points Mercado. Pulintan. Labrado. Pulintan again. Al Natur. Top of the key. Nope. Di Makali against Labrado against Pilaw. Double team. And Kiminales against Al Natur. Nice. Di siya pass. Palpal. Albert completed the play. Labrado scheme na. Labrado scheme na. Hop! Putik na. Pulintan. Driving show. Foul called. Jersey number 4 called for a foul. Okay. Okay. Albert is labas muna para kay number 19 at si number 69 also labas muna para kay Eusebio. Pulintan for 3. No good. Rebound. Darka sa rebound. Ayos, di makala naman. Eusebio, thinking 3, ayaw. Kick pass. Pulintan, driving shong. No good. Whoop. Paulong Pilaw. 48-50. Oy, balita. Oh, stam niya lang. 48-50, 3:54 remaining. Kick, Mike. Ayun, malakas sa pasa kay Gimenales. Malakas sa pasa. Laman pa rin ng dalawa. Gakad, inbounding. Gakad. Pulintan again, pulintan. Difficult pass, pulintan, rebounding. Disho pass, Dalkas, hop. Doon. Benta. Siya na Dimac, kung lalaro, Dimac. Good. Ito naman tayo. Kick pass, pupulintan. Gakad. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Gakad. Mali. Mercado. Muntik na.
Yes, number 19,
Darkas called for a foul. Mercado shooting for 2. Chance again for Impride to extend the lead back to 4 points. It's good. Second shot. Second throw. Pasok pareho. Naku, sayang. .302 remaining. Lamang lipunin na 4 ang team in flights over Oryx. Again, Pareño. No good. Rebound by Pareño. Pareño na kulusot niya. Pareño. Mercado again. Mercado pops up. Bang! Mercado 2 points. Again, 6 na naman ang kalamangan. Oh, ilang buwan na yan, Mr. Parido, ilang buwan na? Sa'yo, sa kanya, hindi sa'yo. Ilang buwan na yan? Ha? Ilang buwan? Ito? Hindi. Lakad ba eh? Congratulations pare. May tagapagdala. May tagadala lang ng pirito. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. 48-54, lamang na naman ang 6 ang team in flights over Oryx. Labrado, bothered by Di Macali. Labrado, kick pass, nandun, foul called. Game. Gimenales, first person public Gimenales. Pulintan, dilabas muna para kay Dwight. Gakad for 3. No good. Agdog. Who's ball rep? Oryx basketball. Nagpit ang laban. Stay kasi rito. First place din eh. Gakad. Alanganin naman. Hellball. Now in flight. Mike, binababa ang bola. Di makali. Pareño, binabantay na. Mercado again, Mercado. Ayun din, Jimenales. Pareño, nalumusot. 2 points again, Pareño. Number 1, pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. Labrado, 2 points Labrado. 6 na naman kalamangan. 1:25 remaining. Pareño, binababa ang bola. Bahala mo si Pareño raw. Binabantayan kasi sila Di Macali ni Labrado. Sinasabayan kung saan pumunta. Mike. Malalim. Gakad again. Binababa ang bola. Ginigakad ang bola. Gakad. Darka. 2 points. 58 seconds remaining. Mercado, number 4. Mercado. Against number 19. Pareño. Masyado mainit. Nilabas mo na yung bahagya. Pareño. 2 points Pareño. Bira yun ah. Dumadali si Pareño. Parang may Eurostep yung Pareño yun ah. Darkas, 2 points again. 27 seconds remaining. 24 seconds remaining. 54-58. Mercado, binababa ang bola. Mercado, Di Macali for 3. Bang! 3 points for Di Macali. Gakad. Sayang. Okay, after 3 quarters, naman po ng 7 ang team in flights over Oryx, 54-61. Black ball daw po, sabi ng referee. Of course, pansin po natin ako, kahit anong month po ng rally, meron kang pangontra ang in flights over Oryx. Let's see now in the 4th and final quarter if some adjustments will be made. And we'll see now who will win after 10 minutes of this basketball game. In flights and Oryx still ongoing. Pagkatapos po nito ay yan po ang Boleros and the Hub. Bola daw po ng Oryx. Oryx ball. Okay, final quarter. Chudilax, Pilao, Marasigan, Alnatur at si number... Okay. Wala si Di Macali, Pareño, Mercado, Pe at si Akain. Okay lang. Okay, yan. Bumalik na. Final 10 minutes. Marasigan. Pinili kay Pilao ang bola. Pilao. Marasigan again. Nagpapasan. Chudilax! Palpal! No foul by the referee. And Mercado! Tapos! Again. Marasigan. Alnatur. Pops up. 2 points, Alnatur. 2 points. 56-63. Laman pa rin po ng 7. 9:04 remaining. Pareño against Alnatur. And Akain. Mercado again. Pops up. Wala. Rebound para 1 by Marasigan. Binato kagad kay Pilao. Pilao, tapusin mo tayo. Sabi nila. Pilao. 2 points again. Sabi nila, tapusin mo yan. Sabi ni Pilao. Again. 8:41 remaining. 58-63. Laman po ng 5. Baba po sa kalimang po. 5 po kalamangan ng Influence over Oryx. Di Makali again. 3 points again by Di Makali. Back to back field goals. Di Makali.
Okay, 2 points.
Long 2 pala, sorry. Long 2 pala, long 2. Albert Marasigan. And Alnatur. Albert. Foul. Ha? 3-second violation sabi ng referee. Sorry, 3-second violation pala. Sorry, 3-second violation daw sabi ng referee. 8:05 remaining. Akain. Good ball. Pe. Inaararong depensa. Nawala ang bola. Ayan, ako ng itim. Kick pass. Pilao, nakalusot. Pilao. And one sana. Muntik na. Jersey number 11 called for a foul. Pareñol. First person. Si Pe, labas muna para kay Kiminales. Pilao shooting for 2. Pilao shooting for 2. First shot. Nope. Second throw, Pilao. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pilao, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Ayun na naman. Mercado, binababa ang bola. Mercado. Akain. Di Makali for 3 again. No good. Pareño, ayaw. Alnatur, nagmamadali. Alnatur. And one play by Natur. And one play made. 61-65. Chance again to trim down to 3 points. Joe Dilac, silabas muna para kay Pulintan. Alnatur shooting for the bonus free throw. It's in. 3. 6:56. Photo finish yata to. Photo finish. Mercado, number 4. Pareño. Against Pulintan. Akain po posisyon. Pareño driving strong. Malakas. Rebound. Pareño again. Uy, walang pinasahan. Okay, chance again to tie the ball game for Team In Flights. Uy, foul called. Reaching foul called on Mercado. Okay, Marasigan inbounding. Marasigan. Alnatur again. Alnatur to Marasigan. Marasigan. Short stab. Malakas. Pilao. Pulintan. Alnatur. Pulintan. Good ball. Di Makali. Marasigan. And one play by Mercado. Mercado, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. Alam mo muli na 5. Mercado, 5. Malayo pa yan. Kaya bagala na. Malayo pa yan. Mercado, pops up. No good. Rebound by Marasigan. Marasigan. Al-Natur. Pulintan. Gakad. Malakas. Nando sa Pulintan. Pulintan. Foul. Pareño. Second person pa lang ni Pareño yan. Third team foul by Team In-Flights. May nanonood yata. May bagong nanonood. May bagong salita. First shot made. Okay, Chris Hormina is watching. Si Jebs Armando is also watching. Maraming salamat po, sir. Pulintan, second throw. Pasok. Okay, 64, 6 tatlo lang kalamangan. Photo finish to. Photo finish. Photo finish to. 5:31 remaining. Malayo pa yan. Still an alternative basket for both teams. Akain. Pareño. Kapos. Nandiyan na naman. Al-Natur. Nagmamadali. Al-Natur. 2 points again by Natur. Again, from a point now, Al-Natur trimmed down the lead up to 1 point till again. 66-67, 5:05 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Mercado. Di Makali, binabantay na yung arko niya. Di Makali, binabantay na, nawala ang bola. Nando, black shot again. Al-Natur. Ay. In-flights calls for the timeout. 66-67 at 4:45 remaining. Lamang pa po ng isa ang team In-flights. Okay. Hanap boy muna tayo bago tayo magpatuloy. You're watching right now. Hello. You're watching na In-flights and Oryx. Afterwards po is Hub and Boleros. Ito po ang liga ng lumilipad. Aviation friendly dub as the Flying League. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Okay, bola po ng In-flights on the attack. Isa na lang po kalamangan. Isa na po kalamangan po ng In-flights over Oryx. Akain. Mercado. Naipit ako. Akain na yung mag-isa. Wala. Rebound by number 89. Ayan na, binaba. Pulintan doon the attack. Pulintan. Foul. Pulintan 4-2. Chance not to take back the lead after 3 long quarters. Okay, Al-Natur, great game by Al-Natur. Akain. Nilabas mo si Akain din para hindi siya mag-graduate kagad. Pulintan, first shot, tabla. Mr. P. Second shot by Pulintan, chance to take back the lead. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle, Pareño. Nice hustle play, Pareño. Mike naipit. Holding foul called ng Pulintan.
Second personal foul, second team foul. 4 minutes and 14 seconds.
Hop. Di Makali. Mike, pops up, palpal. Hop. Lane violation. Out of bounds.
Shot clock is 9 seconds.
9 seconds. Mike for the inbound. Pareño. Marasigan. Nawala. Marasigan. Gakad. Gakad. Malakas. Dwight. Wala pa rin. Marasigan. Gakad again. Gakad. Palpal. Burado. Binura ang tira ni Gakad. Burado. Marasigan. Pops up. Limkakot. No good. Rebound. Kunintan. Gakad again. Gakad. Gakad. Naku. Nice guard. And 2 points. Nice guard. Kunintan. Kunintan. Limkakot. Blocked again.
There's a ball jersey number 89. Fourth personal foul, jersey number 89.
Limkakot, 4 personal pa, 1 for graduate. Mercado setting up the pace again. Criminales. Pareño, nilabas muna. Pareño. Mercado. Mercado. Di Macali. Pops up for 3. Nope. Ayun si Pareño. Nawala bola. Nandiyan si Pareño. Out of bounds. Okay, alam to, pinagpahinga muna. Nag-time up muna po ang Team Oryx. Okay, may message dito. Sabi ni Mr. Lowell Barredo, let's go. Let's go in flight, sabi niya. Naka-duty yata si Boss Barredo. Okay. Two points lang yan at 3:06 remaining. Now for short in flights. Oryx must not anymore commit any mistakes at 3:06 remaining. Medyo crucial to para sa kanila for both teams. 3:06 remaining. Okay, Gakad for the inbound. Gakad. Shoutout down, sabi ni Sir Ariola. Shoutout din siya, Sir Boss. Manasigan na ipit. Limkako, fade away shot. 2 points. Nice play. Nice play. Designed.
And the score is 5 with 69 balls.
2:42 remaining.
14 shot up.
Pareño again. Usual spot. Binabantay na. Pareño nakapipit. Palpal. Rebound again. Pulintan. Foul called on Di Macali. Penalty situation on in-flights. 2:25 remaining. 6-9 all po tayo. 6-9 all po tayo, mga boss. Sabi nito ni Sir Lowell Barredo, pa-shoutout po kay Idol Jonas Manapat. Okay. Pulintan. First shot. Pisin. Lamang isa. Lamang na naman ang isa ang in-flights. Ang Oryx pala, sorry. Untok na ako eh. Oryx again. Lead again by Oryx. 70-69. Next shot. Pops up. No good. Criminales. 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 Binabantayan si Pe. Mercado. Mercado. Di Macali again. Di Macali. Binabantay kay Arco. Di Macali. Double team. No, it's Mercado. Malakas. Gakad. Secret leader. Gakad. Secret leader. Okay. Pulintan. Alnatur. Alnatur. Pulintan again. 2:02 remaining. Pops up Limkako. No good. 1:56 remaining. Isa ang kalamangan ng Oryx over in flights. Mercado. Nando. Nakuha niya ang bola. 3-on-3 situation. Alatur. attacking, called for a foul. Again, Al Natur shooting for 2. First shot. Kapus. Miss. Al Natur second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Al Natur sound jumpers ready po tayo. Al Natur pops up. No good. Rebound by Pareño. Pareño naka-rebound. Binatokat kay Mercado. Mercado. Binapatay ba ito? Bola Mercado kay Al Natur. Nagkata mapasaan. Pareño. Pareño. Di makali pong posisyon. Sila Brado nasa labas pa. Quiminales. 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 Palpal. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball. Sabi ng referee. Same ball. 8 seconds. 8 seconds remaining. 8 seconds remaining. Mercado na yung mag-isa. No good. Rebound by the black shirts again. Foul call ng Pareño. Penalty situation. Team in flights. Gakad shooting for 2. Gakad shooting for 2. Teka lang, nag-time out yata, nag-time out. Time out first called by in-flights. The score right is 70-69 at 1:20 remaining. Laman po ng isa na po ang Team Oryx. Okay, what will happen now? If Oryx wins this, they can be first place. For sure. For in-flights also, they can be also first place. Contenders para po sa first place. Depends now yung ma-win-win over another nila ngayon. That's why we have a very intensive ball game at this moment. Yan na nakataya dito. Placing na po kasi tayo dito. Pesto na lang po ito. Pesto na lang. Ha? Akala ko Penny. Akala ko Penny. Penny Hardaway yung ano. Lagi mo. First shot, no good. Second throw, lead. Gakad, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Dalamang ng dalawa. 1:20 remaining. 1:20 remaining. Mercado, binababa ang bola. Mercado, Di Makali, posisyon. Pareño, NP. Quiminales against number 69. Foul call. Ari Silas watching. Sir Barredo, Sir Lowell, anong quarter na po sir? Fourth quarter na po sir. Final po natin is 1:08 remaining. 1:08 remaining. Quiminales first shot to tie the ball game. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready at 71-69. Laman po ng dalawa ang Team Oryx over in flights at 1:09 remaining. Quiminales, second throw. It's out. Rebound battle, one by the black shirt. Okay. Al Natur. Binabawala Al Natur. Lamang punta na Barasigan, Albert Barasigan. And Pulintan. 57 seconds remaining. 51-69. Pulintan. Driving shot. Nawala ang bola. Di Makali sa Al Natur. Di Makali Al Natur. Sadya. Whoa! And one play made. What the play! Di Makali, never say the attitude. Grabe. Pamatay no. Buwis-buhay na drive na. Now, Di Makali chance na to take back again the lead for in flights. at 43 seconds remaining. Di Makali. 71 all. Di Makali. No good. Rebound. Oy! Same ball. Pareño, ayaw. 40 seconds remaining. Mercado, binababa yung bola sa kanya. Makakain, posisyon. May dalawang wingman. Mercado. Di Makali. No good. Rebound by Albert Barasigan. Foul called. Okay, foul committed. Albert Barasigan chance to put away the ball game. He needs to sink both free throws to give them somehow an insurance. Albert Barasigan shooting for 2. Endgame na to, endgame. First shot Barasigan. Whoop! Stepping on the line. Ouch. Tie ball game po tayo at 71 all. Ha? Please take note, tied ball game po tayo at 71 all. Barasigan just to put the lead back to Oryx. No good. Pareño, 22 seconds remaining. all. Pareño. May go signal pa para siya tumira. Pareño, nawala bola. Gimenales. No good. Ay! Overtime. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to an overtime. 71 all. Okay, shout out po. Shout out Melvin by Team Oryx. Sir Melvin, good din po sa Sir Jan. 71 all po tayo. Natapos sa regulation. 71. We need another 5 more minutes. 5 minuto pa kinakailangan natin para malaman sino naman nanalo dito. Okay, 71 all. Natapos po tayo 71 all. Ano kasi to? Pistong green kasi to eh. Pag nanalo Oryx, magna-number 1 sila. Pag naiba, magna-number 1 din to. Talagang malaki nakataya. Malaki nakataya dito ngayon eh. Who's ball rep? Okay, Oryx basketball rep. Okay. Judilax for the inbound. Judilax number 77 for the inbound. Sabi ng po this. Gakad, Jory. Shout out po kay Christian Gakad. Judilax. Pulintan again. 5 minutes again. Lipkako. Gakad. Nawala bola. Gimenales. Di Makali. Pops up kapos. And ito na naman muna tayo. Ayun! Nice one by Alnatur again. Nice slash by Alnatur. 71 again. 4 minutes 42 remaining. 4 minutes 22 remaining rather. 70-71. Mercado. Gakad, buntik na. Gakad, still completed. Gakad. 2 points, Gakad. 2 points. Gakad, bumawi siya sa kanyang ero kanina. 71. Pareño, 3:54 remaining. Kakai po posisyon. Gimenales po posisyon din. Gimenales, nawala ang bola. Held dead. Hinawakan pababa ni Chudilac si Quimenales. Penalty situation po ang Team Oryx. This next of all, both teams not in penalty. Both teams not in penalty. Both teams not in penalty.
Both teams in penalty. First personal foul,
Okay, first shot, Quimenales. It's in. Second throw. Just to trim the lead down to 2 points. We have a ball game now in our midst, ladies and gentlemen. Quimenales' second shot. It's in. Both basket made. Pulintan again. Pulintan. Pulintan. What a pass! Foul again.
That's a foul.
What a drive by Pulintan with a turnaround. Matching turnaround. Oy. Matching turnaround. Okay, Pulintan, first shot. 3:35, 3:39 remaining. Overtime. It's in. Basket made, tatlo. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pulintan, second throw. Pops up. Wala. Quimenales. Sa kanyang bola muna ngayon. Talman ng tatlo, Quimenales. Ang Mercado, ang isang Quimenales. Palpal, pero may foul. Okay, Chudilac, quality minutes kay Chudilac. Balik muli po si Albert Barasigan, yung magtitimo ng kanyang team. First shot, akain. No good. Okay, just to trim the lead down to 2 points. Mahaba pa yan. 3:29 lang yan. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by Quimenales. Foul call. Graduate for sure. Number 89. Limcaco, 5 personal fouls. Graduate. Chudilac, balik muna para kay Limcaco. Quimenales again. Chance to trim down the lead to 2 points. It's in. Okay. Chance to trim the lead down to 1 point for Quimenales. To trim the lead down to 1 point for Quimenales. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the black shirts. Okay, Pulintan. Binatuhan kay Gakad. Puposisyon na si Latour. Gakad. Pulintan. 3:18 remaining. Chudilac. Pulintan. Ting 3. Ayaw. Pulintan again. Latour. Albert. No good. Chudilac. 2 points, Chudilac. What a trailing job by Chudilac. Pareño. Binabantay na kanyang mga pwesto. Pareño, driving show. Pinasa muna. Mercado. Pinasa kay Akain. Ting 3. Ayaw. Quimenales. Driving show. Akain. Wala. Rebound by Gakad again. Gakad to Chudilac. Binababa ang bola. Chudilac. Double teamed. Gakad. Double team again. Albert Barasigan. Good ball. Again. Gakad. Walang bola kay Gakad. Muntik na. Babasa ko. Barasigan again. 12 seconds to shoot. Latour. Driving show. Pinasahan. Hindi handa. Hindi handa. 74, 2:10 remaining. Jimenez, binabantayan. Creating space, pop sa palpal. Gakad. Chudilax sa 3, ayaw. Chudilax sa 3, no! Jimenez. Oh, foul call, Gakad. Penalty situation, Team Oryx. Jimenez shooting for 2 again. 1:38 remaining. Pops up. It's out. To 3 in the lead, down to 3 points again. Albert is there for the much needed rebounds for Team Oryx, with also Mr. Pe for Team Impress also. Jimenez again. Jimenez. It's out. Rebound battle up. Okay, bola daw po na black ball. Okay, magtatao-tao na sila. Trapping. 1:30 trapping. Chudilax, ayaw, hindi nakita. Nandun! Jimenez, 2 points. Oy! Madulas yung bola. Hindi na hawakan gano, kaya ano.
Shot clock 14.
Pareño. Di Makali, pops up. Offline. Pop, Mercado, 2 points, Mercado. Foul by Di Makali. Di Makali fouled. Di Makali nga, called for a foul. Pulintan shooting for 2. Penalty situation, both teams. So, relax mo na yan. Pulintan. It's in. Second shot, Pulintan, jumpers ready. Second shot, Pulintan, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Eto na. 1 minute remaining. Eto na naman tayo. 1 minute na naman. Pareño. No good. Gakad. Jimenez. Up. Teka lang. Okay, the referee now will consult now to the table committee. Okay. Overruled. Goal overruled. Balik muli po sa Impress ang bola. Okay, as per Chudilax sa bas muna. Para kay number 19. Okay, Mercado, 44 seconds remaining, 79-78. Mercado, binapatay nila Alatur, Pe, Bumundo, dumusot, hindi, nanakawan na naman. Pulintan, Gakat, tatawid mo yan. Ayun, naku, malakas sa pasa. popcorn tayo dito dapat. May popcorn dito. Okay, time out. Time out po muli po. Both teams has to map this thing again and again. Tama na. Tama na isang overtime. May patapasok bukas. Pero kung gusto nyo, sige. Para talaglaro rin sa quarter mo yun. Para naka 5 quarters na nito. Okay. Okay, medyo crucial talaga. Dapat yung tawag talaga, dapat medyo tumugma talaga. Kaya nag-meeting sa may mga ating mga puding referees po ng ARA or ako referees association. Again, in flights, 27 seconds remaining. They call now for full 24-second shot clock. Pareño against Al Natur. Al Natur. Pareño, binabantayan. Positioning, Akain. Going for the arc. Pareño, 10 seconds. Jimenez. Jimenez pops up, no good, rebound, foul call by Mercado. Jersey number 4, Mercado called for a foul. Archie Gakad has a chance to put away now the game. Pops up. It's out! Naku po! Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready. Gakad. Pops up. It's in. Lamang ng dalawa. Binatong bola. Akain. Ayun! 1 second remaining. 1 second remaining. 1 second remaining. Huwag kayong basta-basta. Clutch shooting yan. Baka mapal pa yan. Pareño! Wala! Okay, thank you very much po. Winner by 2 points, 80-78. And possibly claiming #1 spot again, Team Oryx. Maraming salamat po. Sabi po na sa next game po natin between Boleros and The Hub.